Very good morning, boys. My dear boys of class 12. In my previous video lecture, I finished meditation. Now, today, a new topic will be starting. I'm going to start a new topic, that is introduction to asanas, pranayama, yogic kriyas, meditation, etc. I finished meditation. Now, today, I am going to finish yogic kriyas. What? Yogic kriyas. Now, there are many yogic kriyas, but all these yogic kriyas are very tough. And if you perform this type of yogic kriyas in your home, please do it in the supervision and guidance of an expert yoga teacher. So, these yogic kriyas are neti, dhauti, tratak, nauli, and kapalbhati, etc. There are many yogic kriyas. These five are in your syllabus. Now, neti. What is neti? Now, neti is the process of sucking the liquid through nostrils, nasal cavity, just to clean the nasal passage. We inhale and exhale. In this process, many dust particles and other foreign agents from outside, they stuck in our nose. Just to clean this passage, we perform neti. Now, what is neti? Now, there is a special container, tumbler with a nozzle to perform this neti. Now, the liquid like milk, ghee, oil, water, there may be water neti, jal neti, ghrita neti, ghee neti, milk neti. So, all these types of liquids are sucked through the nostrils and they are thrown out through the mouth cavity. So, this is a very tough task to suck water, milk, ghee, oil, and to throw it out and to blow it out through mouth cavity. नाक से खींच के मुख से निकाल देना ये सब liquid. And what is the utility of this? Now, this process cleans, make our nasal cavity clean, and we don't suffer from dust allergy or common cough and cold. So we can get rid of this. This is neti. Now, dhauti. So in dhauti, there is different types of dhauti. One is vastra dhauti, is very much common. So in this dhauti, a 22 feet long and 4 inches wide malmal cloth is taken inside. And gradually it reaches to the stomach. So what is the utility of this? Now, it sucks the acids and all the harmful substances which are deposited in stomach, and afterwards it is pulled out, it is taken out carefully. This is dhauti. Tratak, what is tratak? Now, in tratak, we sit in Padmasana and in front of us there is a flame, especially generally the arden lamps, and we look towards the flame without blinking, without batting the eyelid, till our eyes become teary. Now, what is the utility? How it is beneficial? Now, this tratak, this yogic kriya helps us to solve the problems related to vision. Nauli. What is nauli? Now, in this kriya, our lower abdomen is taken inside, and it seems that it has touched the back wall. You have seen that Baba Ramdev is performing this, and in this way, in this condition, the abdominal muscles are circulated clockwise and anti-clockwise. So this is nauli. In nauli, what happens? Now, in nauli, the front abdominal muscles are taken inside, are drawn inside, and it seems that it has gone deep and it is touching the lower abdomens are touching the back walls of the vertebral column, and in this way the muscles are circulated, moved anticlockwise, clockwise, and anticlockwise, clockwise and anticlockwise. This solves the problems related to digestion, and it helps us, those who are suffering from constipation or problems related to digestion, they can get rid of this. And now last one, Kapalbhati. You know this Kapalbhati. Here the air is inhaled mild, gentle way, and exhaled in forceful way. It is inhaled slowly and exhaled forcefully. So Kapalbhati helps us to keep our liver, pancreas, spleen and abdominal muscles healthy. Thank you very much today after this.